Hello everyone, and welcome to the second video on how to solve quadratic equations. Here we will explain how to use the quadratic formula. As you can see from this slide, the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. The purpose of the quadratic formula is to solve quadratic equations, as is factoring and completing the square. When do we use the quadratic formula, you might ask? Well, sometimes factoring and completing the square might not work out well, so you will have to resort to using the quadratic formula. For example, we have the equation x squared plus 3x minus 4. The equation given is the standard form of the problem, while the vertex form is x plus 15 squared minus 6.25. Now, we move on to the sketch pad. To use the quadratic formula, first we need to figure out our values. We know from the equation that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to negative 4. With this knowledge, we can plug it into our equation. After doing so, we combine like terms, and we end up with the result shown. Since it is plus or minus, then we know there are two x values, and they are 1 and negative 4. Although, we are not done. Now we make a table of values by plugging in x values into our equation, and then we get our y values. Knowing our points, we can now graph the equation. Thank you for watching another video on how to solve quadratic equations.